Guess what I finally got, ladies and gentlemen? I'm 25 months carnivore, and I finally got my very own grinder that's powered.
Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone?
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, we'll be going over the meat grinder that I bought. We'll be taking a New York steak, cutting it up and grinding it, and I'll be eating it. We'll talk about why I prefer to grind my meat versus slice it. And quite frankly, this is my opinion, but it doesn't matter if you're a beginner carnivore or an experienced carnivore. I highly recommend everybody buy a meat grinder. It has been a huge game changer in my abilities to put down food, being how I'm missing some of my internal pieces. And it also just makes life that much easier because I don't have to spend forever dicing up little small chunks. I could just throw it through the grinder and grind it up and have at it. So without further ado, sit back, enjoy this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And I finally got my very own grinder that's powered. I used to use this hand-powered thing, which was better than nothing. I finally got an opportunity for getting the real deal, and I'm in a fifth wheel, so I got a smaller one, 500 watt, two-year warranty. Features: long-lasting metal gears for extended operation, durable aluminum construction featuring aluminum housing, head, auger, and pan. Performance: 3 function: normal speed for grinding, slow speed for stuffing, and pulse reverse. Grinds 4 to 5 pounds per minute. Convenient 500 watt, 1000 peak watt for power with 120 volt permanently lubricated motor. Expansive meat pan that is the biggest in its class, capable of holding up to 3 pounds. And it comes with all of these. Stainless steel knife, 3 stainless steel grinder plates, 3/8 for coarse grind, 3/16 for fine grind, and the stuffing plate. All the different stuffing tubes for like stuffing breakfast links, hot dogs, snack sticks. A 1-inch for brats, mats, and smoked sausage, and 1 3/8 for summer sausage, bologna, salami, and more. And of course, your old meat stomper. I can't wait to check it out and use it. Oversized 2-inch hole for the throat. Heavy duty handle. Industrial number 8 size head. Skid proof feet. And has a 5-foot cord that's buried in the bottom. I'm so excited to check this out and use it. I'm going to grind me up in New York here in a little bit. Got New York, it's time to dice it up. Look how thick she is. Handicap.
Am I making you nervous?
The film's making me nervous. Oh, my finger! I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the kitchen at all, or carnivore, invest in some nice knives. I spent the first year and a half, maybe 2 years, well, basically we'll say the first 2 years carnivore with just a shitty ass regular steak knife. I finally purchased some Cutco knives. Night and day difference. So amazing. Look at these. Hold on. Look how good that looks. All diced up, ready for the grinder. Cut with a Cutco knife. Made in USA. Actually, I have a couple Cutcos. There's another one back here. We're gonna have this Cutco as well. Amazing nice, ladies and gentlemen. Get yourself a pair. Time to open up this. Let's see what we get. Get off me. Sorry, that took a little bit longer than expected. First things first, we got paperwork. I'm gonna have to put that up. Let's put that up somewhere safe. And then we'll take styrofoam off. Yep. And there's all the stuffing tubes. Holy smokes. And then so we got that. We got all of our little ports. And then sure, hopefully I can edit that out on the camera. If not, ladies and gentlemen, you get a freebie. Base tray. All around different heads. Like that. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, this is what all comes in the box. We have the actual grinder motor. This looks like where the gear comes through and pushes the meat out. This must be the neck we push meat into. The tray. You got that screen, and then you got this screen, and you got the stuffing screen. You got different stuffing collars, then a push tube. They take a piece, and then voila! I'm ready.
So nice.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yay.
And I don't need these little doohickeys because I'm not using those for anytime soon. So I learn how to stuff stuff. And then this goes. Mix soda. So immature. Nice metal gear inside, stainless. We got a catch tray out at the LEM grinder set up. Like I said, the cord comes out of the bottom. It's really slick. Has its own little wind up spot. Then we have off, reverse power. You gotta hold the reverse on. Then you got scuff mode. Then you got grind mode. Pretty quick. Look at that, good that look. I'll hit it in reverse for just a minute, just because. Go back forward. Looks like we got her all. I'll clean it up now. So here it is, I've been eating on it. New York steak. Ground up, got a duck egg in there. A little bit of salt. Pretty tasty. Now if you're asking, why on earth would I be taking nice New York steaks or any style of steak and grind it up and eat it versus cooking it? My body seems to like the raw meat over cooked meat. So when I do cook meat, it's usually rare or blue. But the reason why I grind meat over cooking it is my mouth health deteriorated quickly during chemo. My gums got really bad, and so super tough or super chewy and tough food, steak for example, could cause my gums to bleed. So I learned quite a while ago to grind my steaks and eat them that way versus dealing with my mouth hurting trying to chew them. It's so tasty though. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.